How's she going, folks? Today we'll walk through the process of removing and reinstalling the John Deere 120R loader. This loader is found on the John Deere 1 Series and 2025R compact tractors and also features the convenient single-point hydraulic connection. Let's take a look. First, let's go over removing the loader using the single-point hydraulic connector. On a level surface with the tractor in neutral, use the loader joystick to apply down pressure on the bucket until the front tires lift off the ground. Next, lift the latches on each side of the loader. From here, the loader's hydraulics take over. Simply pull back on the joystick and the loader's kickstand will deploy as the loader lifts off the tractor. The final step is removing the single point connector. While pulling back on the safety lever, lift the connector to release the hydraulics, then place it securely into the storage bracket. No more messy hands or fighting with couplers. Now simply back away from the tractor and the loader is fully detached. Next, we'll go over reinstalling the loader on your tractor. Drive forward into the loader kickstand until the tractor's mounting frames make contact with the loader arms. Remove the connector from the storage bracket and align the two guide rods on the single point connector, and push down until the safety mechanism locks securely into place. Climb back onto the tractor and test your hydraulics to ensure they are connected properly. Flip down the loader latches on both sides. This will allow them to automatically lock into place once the loader is properly secure. Push down on the joystick to guide the mounting frames into the loader arms. Once both latches are set in place, your loader is securely attached. Thank you for watching. Contact your nearest Midwest Machinery with any other questions.